Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to send Tether, or USDT, from your Coinbase account straight to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're all about keeping your crypto secure and offline, this is a must-know process. With the crypto world evolving fast, I'll walk you through the steps using the latest best practices to make sure you're doing this safely and efficiently. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account, your Ledger Nano X device set up and connected to your computer, and the Ledger Live app installed. Oh, and always double-check that you're on the official apps to avoid any scams. Security is key. Let's get started with step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and find your Tether wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Select USDT and hit the Send button. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Grab your Ledger Nano X. Step 2. On your Ledger device, open the Ethereum app since Tether is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Then, in Ledger Live, go to the Accounts section and copy the receiving address for your Ethereum wallet. This is crucial. Paste this address carefully into the Recipient field on Coinbase. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so triple-check that long string of characters. Next up, step 3. Enter the amount of Tether you want to send. Be mindful of network fees. In 2025, Ethereum fees might still fluctuate, so choose a standard or slow option if you're not in a rush to save some costs. Review everything one last time, then confirm the transaction on Coinbase. You'll get a prompt to approve it via email or two-factor authentication. Once that's done, step 4. Head back to Ledger Live and keep an eye on your wallet. The transfer should show up in a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. And just like that, your Tether is safely stored on your hardware wallet. A quick tip. Always test with a small amount first if you're new to this. Also, keep your Ledger device disconnected from the internet when not in use for maximum security. There you have it. That's how you send Tether from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay secure out there.